Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be talking about importing Google Analytics conversions into your Google Ads account so you can optimize on those conversions instead of setting up conversions with your Google Ads tag. There's a lot of benefits to doing this, one of them being sometimes it's easier to fire conversions into Google Analytics rather than using Google Ads tags. There's just a lot of benefits to doing it. So we like to do it here at Paracore as much as we can. This is kind of an old account that we're looking at here, but I wanted to import a tag from Paracore's account to show you how it works. Conversion, not a tag. We're not going to import a conversion. So my name's Adam. I own Paracore. We're a pay-per-click lead generation agency in Phoenix, Arizona. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to conversions. You're going to hit tools and settings at the top. You're going to go over to conversions. You're going to hit that. And now we're in our conversions area. And you can see like Google hosted, like these are automatically created by Google, which is dumb. And then we have like calls from ads, call extensions, chats from ads. These right here, when it says website, that means that we're using the Google Ads tag. When it says import from clicks, this is CallRail, so this is an import thing that they have. And then right here, here's an example of Unbounce pop-up paid media strategic audit that's being imported from Google Analytics, the Google Analytics account. So we're going to do another one of those for just an Unbounce form submission because right now we're just triggering it on the website, but we're going to pull it in from Google Analytics. So we're going to hit the plus sign up here. And then we are going to do imports, and then we're going to go to Google Analytics, and we'll just use the universal, unless you're in Google Analytics 4, but we're just using universal. We're going to continue, and then what happens is when Google Analytics is connected, you're going to see all of your conversions that you've set up in Analytics. So right here we have Unbounce form. So the conversion action, this is the one I wanted to import, so I'm going to hit that guy, and then I'm going to do import and continue. So you've imported one goal, do done. And now I have this one right here. So Unbounce form submission website and Unbounce form Paracore filter, which is the name of our Google Analytics property because we just filter out data from the office and things like that. Now we can edit the settings if we want to. So if we want it to be considered a conversion, one conversion, every conversion, if you want it to be included in conversions, all that sort of stuff. So now you've just easily imported your conversion into your Google Ads account, and it's very simple to then include in conversions, not include, change all the settings, and optimize on this. So if you have a lot of conversions firing into Google Analytics, this is a very easy way to do that. So very short and simple video today. If you have any questions, please comment below, like the channel, and subscribe, and appreciate you watching. See you in the next video.